So we have started our ascent to the top of Mount Snowdon. So how do you feel? Do you feel good?
So far so good.
Cool. We'll check back in like 2 minutes and see how we go. Just love me! Whew. So far, so good, guys. I don't know why I'm Scottish, we're in Wales. Wales. Sheep. Sheepy, 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 sheepy. Come on, mate. Whew. It's been the first 2 minutes of the footpath up Snowdon, and I'm tired already. Are you tired?
A bit.
A bit. Look at that, isn't that gorgeous? Let's get a higher view of yours, guys. Wasn't that very picturesque? They're raising money for Barnet Hospital charity, so they got more stuff to use on people. Awesome. So this is the start of, what's it called, Barnet path, and we're already tired, so love where you are. Warning, you might die. Don't cycle, thank you. And we're already pretty high up. This is the pathway. Awesome. We're still alive, don't worry.
I think I've gone numb now because I touched them.
What, the water?
I don't know if we have to take them. We're going to have to leave them.
Big drop. So we've just gone past the halfway mark, and as you can see, we're in snow now. Snowdon. So quick look around. See, big drop over there. Yes, okay.
But excited.
Lovely jump. So yes. Apparently it's supposed to get more slippery and dangerous here. So we could die. Probably will die with it. But it's beautiful. Look at all that mountain. What do you want? So, it's cold. Just to show you how cold it really is. Have a look at that. There's icicles. So I guess if we get stranded up here, we've always got ice lollies to eat. Awesome. Ah, so rich. Woo. So we've climbed quite high up the mountain so far, and it is absolutely freezing. And I'm tired. I'm tired. She's tired. We're both tired. But look at this. Look at how cool that is. The camera doesn't really do it justice. There's like a little lake there, and then there's like a helicopter coming straight towards us. But I don't know why it's coming straight towards us. Helicopter coming to save us. Apparently. So cool. But it is freezing. I'm not wearing any gloves either. Woo! But pictures, video, it's not going to do this place justice of what it actually looks like. Mountains, you got a random lake. Look at that. You got the pencil. You got nothing but white everywhere. Sick, man. So sick. Ah! Da, 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 da. Oh my God. I can definitely see why people fall and die. Wow. This is terrifying.
Isn't it?
So we are hella high. So at this point, sick. Alright, you get on this side because you're the faller. So we're pretty much at the top, but the winds are mega strong, and we've just seen a couple of people starting to make their way down because it's too dangerous. So I think you want to push it through. The snow is crazy deep and the wind is not helping, so there's like a little bit left, but I don't know if we should risk it or not. My hand can go really deep in the snow, so there's no tracks really. It's a lot harder. It's hard. I'm finding it hard to breathe, you know. It's an air fit. So you can actually see the weather getting worse, and if you look behind me you can see there was clouds, and that was actually a blizzard coming towards us. So we couldn't actually stand on the platform, which was at the very top, but we were at top. You're going to see in the next clip that we actually did get caught by the blizzard as well. So it was all for charity. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more.